Hello friends, BMW X5 G65. This is the all-new 5th generation of the iconic premium crossover, with its official debut scheduled for the summer of 2026. Sources report that the world premiere is scheduled for the 30th of June 2026. The car brings radical changes to its design, electronics and engine lineup. Interestingly, the iX5 Hydrogen is expected to debut around 2028. BMW knows how to surprise us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.